Yeah.
This is the Wall Street Beat Show, SICKDOE and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's SICKDOE and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's SICKDOE and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Talks about nigga SICKDOE and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making SICKDOE and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't wanna trade crypto, crypto no more. If you don't understand
Wall Street. Good morning. Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in Crypto. You hit the like, you hit the subscribe. We take you on a ride. We're going to the moon and we're going soon. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Wall Street Pete Show. Good morning. It's Monday. We're into the last 2 weeks of Christmas. The weekly candle has changed. We're going to talk about that. I want to get started. You hit the like, you hit the subscribe every day. We talk about crypto news. We talk about what is crypto. Really, what is cryptocurrency? Because a lot of people don't understand what is about to happen. Why does Wall Street Pete keep doing this? Can we watch this short, quick clip?
Oh.
But I'd never heard it. I'd never heard it said. I'd always seen the mark, but never heard it said. And then it sounded stupid when I said it. Violence at NBC.
I heard be around big fight up in the lunchroom the other week.
There it is. Violence at NBC. GE.com. I mean,
well, Allison should know.
What is internet anyway?
Did you hear what this gentleman just said? What is internet anyway? That's what crypto's at. That's the stage we're at right now.
Internet is that massive computer network.
The one that's becoming really big now.
What do you mean?
Yeah, and that's what she said. All jokes aside, we used to trade back in the day. Cryptocurrency, right? No. Back in the day, we never traded cryptocurrency. We used to trade a dog for maybe a horse, and then you would find value. Eventually, they created coins. Coins would then be accepted through the banks. Banks would have paper money with their stamp on it. And then you would say, okay, well, this piece of paper is worth something. The banks have their name on it. They back it, and they'll tell me that they're going to give me money in return. So therefore, we now have a currency, which is paper money. We used to do this instead. No longer a need, right? Talk about some NFL picks. We're going to continue to talk about this, though. Very important about the price coming. Of course, this is what we do, live technical analysis, and this is not financial advice. You do your own research as we do our own. And now what's happening is now cryptocurrency's here. So understand, cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. I don't think you understand, no matter how hard the governor, no matter how hard the government tries to stop this, it's not going to happen. The governors want to be paid. They're asking to be paid. So beyond all that, pay attention. Definitely to mention, this is the Wall Street Pete SICKDOE Crypto Show. It seems like this is the Ethereum on trading view. Currently looking at the weekly. So we got 6 days, 11 hours, almost a whole 6.5 week going. We're going to get the new weekly. What's going to happen? Well, now I'm starting to understand our previous video. We talked about the weekly changing, right? This is Bitcoin. What's been happening, though, all the way on the weekly for Bitcoin, too, as far as all the way from this back 2019, so 2 years, what has the RSI been doing? The trend is your friend. So for the past 2 years, I'm equally confidently able to say this is a trend towards the up direction. I'm confident. So this is cool. And if you pay attention, definitely to mention, this is looking for a bounce. If I do see the trend every time we've done this on this trend line, what have we done? We started a nice bounce, and then what did we do? Oh, we went parabolic. So this is what the relative strength, I want to get my face out of here. This is what the relative strength index is really starting to show. That's something you might want to pay attention to. It's a weekly chart. You may not care for it, I understand. But by the weeks go, there's things that are happening here, and I want people to understand there's an upward W forming on this, and it's kind of concerning for the bulls. If you're concerned and you're a bear, well, you're about to get liquidated. That's Wall Street Pete's strategy. This is not financial advice. You do your own homework every day. We tell you. If you open this up and pay attention to this chart, it's very clear to me to see that that's what we're looking at. So maybe I'll change the color real quick, get a better in-depth look of what I'm talking about here. Yellow. An upward W is coming on the weekly, and I do believe we have 6 days and 11 hours. The clock is ticking, ladies and gentlemen. The clock is ticking on basically Bitcoin and the crypto market. It's a huge deal to understand that we're going to keep touching this level here, somewhere in here, and perhaps I'm hoping that this is the support level we're at right now. We're done. 48 level. But right now, if you see my current chart, and I think I'm on the wrong one, let's see. Nope, I'm on the right one. Just didn't put the price action there for some reason. I thought I had it. Right here, you'll see this is major support, 47-ish. That's not going nowhere. So do understand, if we start breaking through, we're going to have to worry about this last support level of the 43,000, and that's just where we're going to have to be, and we're going to be concerned. So pay attention to these levels. We're continuing to go up on this upward trend. It is happening. If you see it right here, and I'll make it a little fatter so you can see what's going on. This is what we're talking about. This little trend line we broke through. Look to see resistance coming up. It's the new week. We got 6 days. So the time's ticking, 6 days on Bitcoin. Ethereum, I just want to talk about this really quick. We have some news that we have not gotten to. I want to tell you some Shiba Inu news if you have not heard about it. Upward W on Ethereum now, and if you know, 4,700 was the go number. That will be the resistance price that we have to break through and understand if we're going into this upward W massively into the fourth quarter or into January of 2022. Bitcoin prices we talked about real quick to head back to there and not to be a pain in the ass, and I'm sorry to do that. We already know that we're trading a level in between the range of 72 and 86,000. Wall Street Pete said that this is my strategy only. Do your own research. It's either coming in the fourth quarter on Christmas Eve or we're going to find it for the New Year's in January. So understand that's going to make the rest of this market to continue to fly up, and that's what we'll be talking about as right now Ethereum is on some type of a discount. Look at this price. We keep getting, right, higher lows. This is now a new lower high. I don't know why I always say dyslexic, Yoda. But pay attention to it right now. That's exactly what's happening. If you establish the bottom, every time we dip, when I dip, you dip, we dip. If you pay attention, it's actually creating a W. So see that happening there. What's happening is fall, it was 21, and this is a weekly. You don't really see that. But if you were to follow the weeks, there's a pattern showing. Fall, right? Come down into the 21. We were all the way above at this price, 39. Come all the way back, resistance again, fall. But look, the price is continuing to stay a little higher each week as we continue to fall. What's happening once again, continuing to stay higher than that absolute fall. 30,000 now above to the 39. So if you do see what's going on here, we will get a spike up, and it will be a wonderful bunch of weeks that we're going to proceed to get. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. Even on Ethereum, it looks very, very strong. No indicators out. We're just looking with the naked eye, and that's kind of beautiful. But if you saw the indicator, as I told you, on the weekly, well, it's kind of similar all the way from the 18th of December for it. Pay attention to that, the weekly RSI level, 17th of 2018. So 3 years ago at this time, it took December 10th. It took the last couple weeks into Christmas Eve, as you see the 24th here, and then we went crazy. So pay attention. We're back at the bottom again as we find ourselves on a road again, right? And here I am. So let's go. Pay attention to what's happening. Pay attention to the history. Let's not be silly. The history of technical analysis will tell you, not my gut, not my feelings, not my friends. So understand what's going on here. Let's get into the news here. Shiba Inu. And let's hit that like button and subscribe. Right now, GameStop, Nordstrom, Lowe's, and just to name a few, I didn't even name the rest, Petco, Bed Bath & Beyond, and Ulta Beauty are among the merchants that can now accept Shiba Inu currency. It's kind of ridiculous. So people need to start paying attention. This is the channel for you. If you like this channel, you hit the like, you hit the subscribe. We have crypto news for you every day, a chart or two as much as we can. But definitely look into this. Do your own research. I'm very excited to hear about the Shiba Inu being accepted. It's Christmas time, and if you're not going shopping yet, well, guess what? You could probably sell some Shiba. I don't recommend it, but that's maybe what's happening, ladies and gentlemen. So you may want to start paying attention to what's going on. There may be a little bit more of a fall coming, but understand in the weeks as it's coming, we're starting to look really bullish. So it's only so much more that can happen. Good morning. ADA will be $25 by January 1st. Love it, Gary. People don't understand why I'm holding Cardano. People don't understand what's going to happen to Cardano. This is at a discount price. Cardano got let in on the weekly, and we're looking at weeklies now. We usually do the quarterly. Pay attention to the prices of Cardano as they keep letting their friends in. And if you notice, it's the whales that run this market. It's not you. It's not I. Ladies and gentlemen, it's almost Christmas time. So new year, new things. And I want you to know that the whales run this market. I don't run this market. You don't run this market. So understand what's going on there. They're taking advantage of these prices, and we're continuing to see them. Maybe not much as a bullish move here, but do understand what I wanted to say is that this is very important. We need to see a bounce soon. And if we're going to continue to get lower, there's going to be some FOMO. But I'll tell you right now, the bounce that may be coming on this wave is going to be scary, Dave. I'll tell you right now. So have a wonderful Christmas. We're going to be back. We're not out of here. We used to do NFL picks on this channel, and I wait till the end of my channel because a lot of people are here for crypto. Explain to me if you would like for me to start doing this. Put in the comment section. Pete, I actually would like to make more SICKDOE in crypto and then be able to buy my bags. But if you pay attention to this, the Steelers covered. The plus means that they get points. So you add the points to the score. If it says minus, you take the minus points away from the team, and that's all that means. And if they covered the win still while you take the points away, well, guess what? You covered your ticket. You need to win every single ticket. Wall Street Pete, December 9th, put in a ticket for Christmas. He is collecting today. Wall Street Pete has another one. And some people can't get one ticket right. I just want you to understand that's how much I follow the NFL. I'm 12-1 in fantasy. It's over the fantasy league, but still I'm 12-1. I'm expected. I'm a defending champ. Steelers, 1, 2, 3. There's 13 teams I got correctly. I went to bed, thought I lost. The Packers had to win by 9. They won by 45-30, 15 points. I woke up, I couldn't believe it. So this is Wall Street Pete. Something special is happening. I don't know if you understand, but something special is happening. And this is just another ticket I'm going to show you in a minute. You can only imagine how much money I would win for getting 14 in a row correct. Well, Wall Street Pete decided to put in another one. It's Christmas time. December 11, 2021, he put another one in. And what did he do? He got more correct. So something special is happening with this gentleman. I just want you to know we don't just do crypto, but we are good in the NFL. I could lose this, and it is what it is. But I won the first ticket, so I'm happy and I'm grateful. Will it be nice to see the Cardinals lose by a field goal and me win by 0.5 on this ticket and this ticket? So Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE, and crypto. I might be doing Sunday NFL picks again as we're getting towards the NFL season. Let me know if that's something in the comments you'd like to see. That's kind of exciting. That's my Facebook page that really I'm just going to start maybe going professional with. We're going to see what's happening with that. But here we are, Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE, crypto. We come for the crypto news for you. And listen, man, we're all about positivity, ladies and gentlemen. Sunshine is on my mind. Want to kill a big dream? Well, tell it to a small-minded person. God showed you by yourself for a reason. And thank you, Mr. Steve Harvey, for that wonderful. I love it. I actually heard Steve Harvey say that one, so I'm not going to take no credit for this stuff. That was awesome. I maybe put this together and it looks beautiful, but I live by this moment. I live by this saying now. I love that saying. It's awesome. I mean, I really did live by this saying on my own. I just didn't have that exact saying. But this is Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in crypto. And if you want to learn how to make SICKDOE in crypto, this gentleman used to work on Wall Street. This is why we started this channel in New York, Manhattan, watching people starve to death, watching people freeze to death. I'm not kidding. They'd be basically scraping people off the sidewalk, whatever it is. You think it's harsh, you think it's fake, you can think whatever you want. I'm a real guy. You hit the like, you hit the subscribe, you hit the bell notification, and we come live. This gentleman actually worked there, so here's my badge. It's kind of cool. I'm pretty happy. It's not just some garbage. It's actually a real thick piece of card. I remember when he used to have The sniffing dogs used to come in just to protect us, making sure nothing 9/11 like happens again. It was wild. Bomb sniffing dogs. Yes, we used to have that. It was wild. So it was a wild place. This is where I used to work. A lot of people I missed. A lot of people passed away. Depression, homeless. I'm trying to explain that to you. One day this channel, I want you to understand, one day this channel is going to feed the poor. I make sure I say this many times because I want to back my word. I want to push it. I want to actually make sure it happens. So follow me, hit the like, subscribe, share this with a friend. Let them understand that I have big goals here, and I'm not just talking out my ass. I mean this. Crypto's going to make a lot of people rich. Crypto's going to change a lot of lives, and it feels good to be alive. If you watch the beginning of this channel, remember 20 years ago, 1994, nobody knew what internet was. That was the whole purpose of that little video, that little skit there. The guy said, what was this at? I thought it was about the at in the circle. No, it's where we live today. So you understand that crypto is now just the upgrade of the internet. Could you imagine? We're here. There's no imagining. I don't know why people don't get invested. And as this is falling, and as the manipulation is happening in crypto, and as you're selling because you're scared, and you don't have your 9-to-5 job, and you can't keep buying the dip like me, you better get good at selling and buying. Or you better get good at hodling. It's up to you. So this is a man that's real as steel, and I'm just yapping away here because it's very important stuff, and I see people are watching and listening, and it's very important. So you have to stay positive, as my brother-in-law taught me. Those picks, I went through hell on those picks, those NFL picks. So let me know in the comment section at the end of this video, did you like the picks? Do you think they're real? I can show you a picture of my face right next to those pictures of those picks, and you'd be like, wow, he really did those. So Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE, and Crypto, please stay away from the comment section as far as replying to these weirdos. They are up to no good. Once again, I'm finding out that I'm getting bigger and bigger. Our channel is growing. You can watch the subscribers grow as well. This is exciting. I owe it to everybody. So it's the Christmas time. It's the time for giving, right? So if you're in the mood for giving and you don't have money, please hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the share button. It's a man, real as steel, just looking to try and help you out. I ain't getting nothing out of this. One day I'm going to show you how much money I made on YouTube. I have not collected a dime. How about that, being real as steel? I'll keep that to my promise. I'm going to show a receipt of how much I've made on your clicks and likes over the year. It's a joke. It's like in $100 right now. And I don't plan on ever selling it. I'm just going to sit there and hold it, and maybe I should be investing in crypto with it. But hey, Wall Street, Pete, SICKDOE, and Crypto, a gentleman who worked on Wall Street. We're not just talking out our arse. He actually watched the best traders in the world. He was a handsome young guy at this point in time. It was 2007. It was a wonderful place. I went there instead of college, and I still today, someone asked me, would you still go to college if you had the choice to go to college or back to work on Wall Street? And I said, I'll go back to Wall Street 8,500 times because what I've learned on that trading floor, not any one of you can learn in college. And I'm not talking smack. I wouldn't have learned it in college. That's my point. So everybody, please, if you're having a rough time under this Christmas and you can't afford presents, let me know. Please, if you can, if you have the chance to be able to do that. Or tell a friend. I want to donate to someone. We've done it already, my family. We've already done that. But I want to make a special donation maybe. We're going to try and see if we can do something. So without being very, very, I guess, public about it, maybe we can get one person that Wall Street Pete wants to help and change someone, help them out. So we're going to see if we can tell a story. We're not even going to tell the story. We're going to see if we can make a story. This is what I want to do. It's nothing life-changing, but maybe we can help somebody get a couple gifts for their kid for Christmas. So if you know someone who's hurting, you can contact me somehow through the IG, Instagram. It's wallst.pete. Let's change someone's day. Let's do it. Let's start the year right. So Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE, and Crypto, baby. You already know. This is what we do. Have a Merry Christmas, and please, maybe pass it on forward. Maybe make someone else's day. A lot of people are unfortunate. Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE, and Crypto, we're here to make some changes. As we know, none of this is financial advice. So if you could, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm the gentleman who likes to wear the visor. Please get back to me. Let's get in the comments. Let's make something happen. Have a great night. Have a great day. We will see you at most likely 8 p.m., 7 p.m. Eastern Time, as we usually do 2 videos a day, Monday through Friday for sure. So we'll see you then. Take care. Peace in and peace out.